Hello students, welcome to Hindi classes. In previous class, we have learned 5 words. So quickly we will recall those words and then we move forward. So I have teach you the word meaning of hello in Hindi is namaste or namaskar. Namaskar is the more formal word of namaste. So for hello, we have 2 words, namaste and namaskar. For goodbye, we have 2 words, namaste and namaskar itself. For hello and goodbye, namaste and namaskar both can use. For goodbye, we have other word also like tata. Tata. And for thank you, we have word like dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. So repeat after me these 5 words, then we move forward. Namaste, namaskar, tata, धन्यवाद. Namaste, namaskar, tata, धन्यवाद. Very good. So let's begin our today's class. Today we will learn some daily use glossary. Okay, so let's start. We have what and who. What means in Hindi is kya, kya, and who means in Hindi is kaun, kaun. What means kya, who means kaun. What means kya, who means kaun. Here you can see that I have break the words like k plus ya, kya, ka plus aun, ka plus on, con, con. You probably hear the word like come on, come on, and this word con, con, come on and con. These 2 words are rhyming each other, so you can easily recall it. Okay, so repeat after me. Con. Who means con. What means kya. What means kya. Who means con. Ke ya, kya. Ka on, con. Ke ya, kya. Ka on, con. Ke ya, kya. Ka on, con. What means kya. Who means con. What means kya. Who means con. Okay, let's move. So here we have another word like when and how. When means kab. How means kaise. When means kab. How means kaise. Let me show you the rhyme of this word like C-U-B, cub. You probably hear this word, cub. Cub means the baby of lion. Okay, so this cub and this cub, these 2 words are related to each other, and the pronunciation of this word and this word are same. So you can easily recall these words like when means cub, cub, cub. Let me delete this. So when means cub. Remember, C-U-B, cub, cub. When, cub. When means cub. How means kaise. How means kaise. 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 When means cub. How means kaise. 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 कैसे, कैसे. Repeat after me. When means yes. कब. How means कैसे. Okay. Now we have each and are. Each means had. Here you can see that each and are, these are related with each other. Each is used in singular form, am is used in I with I, and are is used with plural subject. Okay, so each means है, am means whom, are means हैं. In है and हैं, the difference is and. In है, the sounding pitch is high, and in is है, the sounding pitch is different. Okay. In है, we use our nose to pronounce है, and in is we use our only mouth section to pronounce है. Okay, so is means है, am means who, am means who, are means है, are means है, is means है, am means whom, are means है, is means है, am means whom, are means है. So here we have this kid asking some other kid like, what's your name? He said, I am Sachin. So the English meaning of the Hindi meaning of I is मैं, 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 मैं. Okay, or am means I just told you whom, and Sachin is the name. So in the English speaking, we use subject, verb, and object. The structure of English speaking is subject plus verb plus object. I am Sachin. Here I is the subject, am is the verb, and Sachin is the object. Okay, but in Hindi we can see here मैं हूँ Sachin. This is not the right structure of Hindi. Okay, this sentence is wrong in Hindi. When we speak in Hindi, I am Sachin, we speak मैं सचिन हूँ, मैं सचिन हूँ. Firstly subject, then object, then verb in Hindi. Here we can see that the Hindi structure: subject, object, and verb. मैं सचिन हूँ, I am Sachin. I am Sachin means I means मैं, am means who, Sachin means Sachin. So मैं सचिन हूँ. मैं is the subject, object is the Sachin, and verb is the who. Okay, so मैं सचिन हूँ. So next time if someone ask you what's your name, so in Hindi you can tell your name like मैं, starting with the मैं, then your name, then whom. Okay, so remember this structure of Hindi, and you can easily go with the Hindi like मैं is the subject, then your name, then who, am. Okay, I am Sachin. Here is the right word. मैं सचिन हूँ. I am Sachin. In English, we use subject, then verb, then object. In Hindi, we use subject, then object, then verb. I am Sachin. मैं सचिन हूँ. This is like this. Okay. I का मैं, am हूँ, and Sachin this. Okay. So I hope you all understand this. And now let's practice what we have learned today. Okay. So let's practice again from the start. So what means kya? 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 Pronounce with me. Kya? Who means kaun? 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 And recall what I have told you, like kaun, come on, kaun, come on. So you can easily recall this word. Who means kaun? What means kya? What means kya? Who means kaun? When means kab. Recall what I have told you for kab. COB. Yes, right. I have told you for kab to recall like COB. So when means kab, how means kaise. When means kab, how means kaise. When means kab, how means kaise. Kaise. Each am are. Each means hai. Each means hai. Am means whom. Am means whom. Are means hai. Are means hai. The difference between hai and hai means hai and hai is pronounced with mouth and hai is pronounced with nose. Okay, so hai, hai, who, hai, whom, hai. Each means hai, am means whom, are means hai. Okay, I am Sachin. I am Sachin. मैं हूँ सचिन. But this is wrong. The correct form is subject, object, and verb. मैं सचिन हूँ. The correct form is मैं सचिन हूँ. Subject, object, and verb. I am Sachin. मैं सचिन हूँ. Thank you. Remember, what is the Hindi word I have told you for thank you is धन्यवाद. What is धन्यवाद? Here, I have told you for thank you is धन्यवाद. 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 Okay, so you all learn these words and keep practicing. Let me delete this. So this is the end of the class for today, and we will meet in next class. Okay, bye bye.